Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello guys, meet with me again in New CNC channel. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create Visual Basic reporting using item report viewer, and also in this case, I'm using MySQL database. Okay, now before we creating the project, I'm gonna show you my database that I'm gonna to show or to make with report. In this case, I'm using DB login. You can see here, guys. In the DB logins contain table login in here, and if I click table login, showing field username and password with the list of item in here. Okay, this is 5 record here. So I will make report using Visual Basic and also using item report viewer. Okay, how to make reporting? We just need to create new project here. Okay, if in the others video in the entire internet I searching if we just using parameter, but in this case I'm using parameter but using MySQL command. Okay, so I put in my desktop and application. I will create reporting database VB. Okay, like this, guys. For example, you can rename or name which you want. Because I'm not using parameter like in the others video or in the other tutorial, I developed the script in my own. So this is very simple, very useful if you seeing this video till the end. Okay, after we creating the form, then we need to adding reporting or report viewer item. So I can double click like this, guys. You can double click or you can drag and drop. Okay, you can see here the report viewer in this case is not full with the form, so I want to fill it with my form. You can click in the report viewer and choose the right arrow here, guys, and then choose doc in parent form container. Okay, that is okay. So if you resize, the report viewer will follow it. Okay, report viewer we add, but I need also in this case, because I'm using SQL or MySQL command, not just using parameters, so I need one text box and one button. I need one text box here and also need one button like this, guys. In this case I will create a multi-line so can resize for height, guys. Okay, in this case I will rename the text box properties T search, for example, and the button I will rename to BT show. Okay, and the text properties of button I will change to show like this. Okay, after creating one text box and one button, then the first we need to create a report. So we can activate or click the report viewer and click again in right arrows. If you choose report, there is nothing a report because we don't need created one, so we create one. Choose design a new report. Okay, this is very simple but very useful, guys, because that is directly using SQL statement or MySQL statement comment. So we don't create a parameter with user interface in this tutorial. Okay, this is a database. I want to next. Okay, you can see we need to show the report for database DB login and showing table login content, in this case in 5 record here. Okay, so I will create new connection, and server name of course is, I put IP, or you can type localhost for simple. This is root. The password is blank. I will choose DB login, guys, like in our database PHP MyAdmin. Okay, so after that I click OK here and then click next. Save the connection string to the application configuration file. Yes, save the connection. This is you can rename, but I let it by default. For table, you can see, guys, I'm sorry guys, I mean is DB login, not DB grid. We can again, yes, we design new report. I'm sorry, I forget to select database, new connection. Okay, and this is root DB login. Okay, next. Yes, next. In the tables, you can see like our content here, content to fill of table, username and password. I check or click username and password, finish. Okay, this is name of dataset. You can type, for example, my dataset. For example, you can rename with what you want. In the data source, the name is dblogin dataset. You can see, and then I will click next here, and then I drag my username into the values with password, of course. I don't need to group the row or column, so I click next. You can see the preview of our report later. I click next, guys. You can select styles what you want, but I will let it by default with Ocean. Okay, and then finish. Okay guys, you can see here I just want to show report thing using report viewer. Okay. Okay, I think this is very simple, but I want to show you if we can also change the title of our record. Show that it's okay. We back to form 1 again. In this case, I don't want to load the report viewer with automatically because I want to using button. So if I click like this and choose a report and using report 1 RDLC like this in here, if I run, that is automatically showing the report, but I don't want to be like that because I want to using dynamically make with MySQL command. So we will remove the script after I show you how it works. You can see, guys, this is automatically uh, automatically showing the report, but I don't want to be like that because I want to using show with in this case parameter. Okay, so I close my form and then I want to change my font for more higher, or I'm sorry, more bigger, guys, not higher. I'm sorry. Okay, I make 10, and for the code I will double click on show button here. You can see this is our automatically script generated by Microsoft Visual Studio. Then we need to delete the script, and because I want to using SQL or MySQL command, so I need to import MySQL .mysql client. Okay, I need also to declare one variable as new. This is server. You can type with localhost, but I don't want to using localhost. For user, of course, is root. In the password, of course, is nothing, and database is db login. You can see db login is our database in here. Okay, db login, and then I back again db login. In the button code, I will also declare a variable. MySQL adapter, where is? Okay, For SQL command or structured query language command, I want to select all record using asterisk, but after that we want to filter using where clause or where statement from table login. Table login, that mean is in here. Okay, that is table login, guys. Select asterisk from table login where username equal to and t-shirt, or I mean t-shirts dot text, and okay, like this. This is the SQL statement. Will not showing all record, but record that's suitable with t-shirts that we input, guys. So this is very dynamically, okay, because we need to clearing the data set or data source before showing item in our report. We need to clearing before showing. I'm using my SQL command, using SQL and the connection, okay. The adapter is equal to our command in here, guys, and our command is using this SQL statement. Adapter.fill is equal to data source DB login, and for table login, I show you, you can type like this and you can also type like this, guys. Okay, whatever you want, table login, or but I really more likers using like this, okay. After we open the connection, we need to closing the connection from database. In the after try statement, we also handling the error. If error happen, we need to close the database and then showing what make or causing the error. So after we creating MySQL command for showing record into our report viewer, we need to refresh our report viewer. Refresh, where is the, okay, refresh report. Okay, I want to try running my project. Of course, you can also download my project into www.news.co.id. You can see after I run my project, that is not showing automatically the report. If I click show, you can see, guys, if I click show, Okay, there is nothing to show because we using filter, in this case using username. If username suitable with in the t-shirts or text box, the report will showing the content, but there is nothing to show. You can see here in this case is our click, our gesture. Okay, this is if I click, guys, you can see nothing. Okay, in this case you can see if I searching with username Aya, I type in this case, you can see show, you can, it works. You can see that is very simple but very useful. If I search Sony, there is nothing Sony in here, so if I click show, will not displaying anything or displaying the record. If I click Sony sites, okay, there is username Sony set and content username Sony set show the report showing record in the report viewer. And for kick like this, okay guys, I think it's enough to show you, and this is very useful and very simple, rather than we creating a parameter using properties of reporting in here. Actually you can also adding parameter, but I don't want to using parameter in here. So this is very others method that I develop for myself, and of course share with you. If any comment or any that you want don't understand, that you don't understand, you can send your asking by commenting in my channel. Okay, you can download my project, all of my project in the www. Okay guys, or just you can type in Google news.co.id VB. So that's all. Thanks for watching and bye bye.